Hi, Drum Fam. I'm DJ Melon. Real name is Moses Mhlongo. I'm from Durban. I was born under a Tegoni municipality in a mission called Tumbumbulu. And that was like 29 years ago. I'm a musician. I studied in Durban University of Technology, but I didn't study music because my parents did not allow me. But after I've graduated, I find my way back into the industry. And then now I work as a DJ, also a composer, and an event organizer. In 2014, I released my first release on my own, of which on it I worked with Monji Ngobo, which actually became a huge hit, and then that record came with a huge success in my career as well. I think that I can say that is the record that launched me. So I had to prove to South Africa and the rest of the world that I'm not about one track. So I decided to work on a full album from then. After the success of Koze Use. So recently I just dropped a full album titled Original Copy, because I chose that title to motivate people not to pirate my music, So the title alone says a lot. On the album, I was lucky enough to work with the likes of Ladysmith Black Mambazo, the very first DJ in South Africa, to be able to put the studio section successful with them.
What would you say is your favorite track or tracks on Original Copy?
I did like 20 tracks, but I only managed to release 13 on CD and 16 on iTunes, which were my best of the 28. So the ones that I hear on this disc, I think they are my favorites. Also on iTunes.
What do you deem to be essentials for you to have a very nice set? What do you need?
I think it's the attitude and the right mood. It doesn't matter. A party can have 5 people, other can have 5,000 people. But I think if you're not in the right mood, you need to tell yourself before you even reach the gig, you need to be in that mood that says, I'm going out to have fun, I'm going to enjoy, because there is no way that you can make people enjoy through the music that you're playing if you're not happy.
Message to your fans, lastly?
When we were within a very important period, 16 days of activism for no violence against women and children. So let us all act responsible, and let us all treat women with respect and take care of our children and our children generally. Let's behave ourselves, because the reason we have this campaign now is because there are some of us as men are abusive to women and to children. So let us stop that. Let us act responsible. If there's someone who's abusive, let us seek ways to help him or to report him to the authorities. So I know that people always compliment me for being humble, for being kind, but the thing is, they don't know that I'm a fighter. So that I do kickboxing, cage fighting, I'm rough when I'm there.